Same-game parlays promise big returns, but they hide a simple math problem. A same-game parlay bundles multiple bets from a single game into one ticket. Every added leg multiplies the payout and multiplies the chance of losing. Example, two likely plays, 70% and 60%. Combined, your chance to win is 42%. Add a third 65% leg, and your combined chance falls to about 27%. By contrast, three separate single bets keep each chance intact and let you manage stakes independently. Here are smart, practical ways to use same-game parlays without blowing up your bankroll. Limit legs. Two-leg parlays keep the risk manageable. Three or more compounds risk sharply. Size bet small. Treat SGPs as a long-shot entertainment play, not the backbone of your stakes. Use singles or simple hedges to lock profit when a parlay leg hits and reduce downside. Practical split. With a $30 plan, put 20 on singles and 10 on a small SGP to chase upside safely. Play responsibly. Set limits, know the odds, and never bet money you can't afford to lose.